Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 215 XSF from Scout Boats. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the shark gray hull color. Standard on the boat is a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. You can see up top we have this boat with a powder-coated T-top. Comes with a magic tilt trailer, and now we'll make our way inside the boat. So here in the cockpit of Scout's 215 XSF, you can see we have a nice stern seat, double wide stern seat, high backrest, comfortably seat a couple of adults. You'll also notice how easy this is to stow away, which opens up the cockpit and also gives you access to a really large bilge area. All finished out, easy to keep clean, easy to access everything. Really large bilge access for a 21-foot boat. We've got a lockable cockpit door. Keep small kids or dogs safely inside. Here at the transom, 2 swim platforms with a telescoping recessed boarding ladder to the starboard side, splash well forward of the motor, and another swim platform to the port side. Standard on the port side aft is a bait well that can also serve as a raw water washdown. See, we have 4 rod holders along the transom with a couple of cup holders and recessed cleats. This boat also has an optional freshwater tank. This boat is powered by a 3.4 liter DTS 200 horsepower motor from Mercury. This is the new V6 platform. You can see it's got the top cowling service door where you can check and change your oil, engage that lever, and now you can totally remove this cowling with one arm and do so while the boat is still in the water. Moving forward, standard leaning post here, standard igloo cooler, rod holders and cup holders behind the helm seat. Bolsters throughout, so this is a great fishing boat when you want to fish. Rod storage beneath both gunnels and LED rope lighting beneath both gunnels as well. Moving forward, we've got 2 speakers in the cockpit to go along with the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Here at the helm, this boat is well equipped for electronics. We've got a 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin with a through-hole transducer. I mentioned the stereo already. Aircraft-style toggle switches for our lights and pumps. This boat has trim tabs that are optional with optional LED indicators, so you know where your tabs are positioned. Of course, digital throttle and shift from Mercury, so very smooth and responsive at the throttle. We've got a standard steering knob, along with a hydraulic steering upgrade, so very smooth at the helm. And this steering wheel also has an adjustable tilt. Individual bolsters that work independently of each other. So I, as a driver, can lean comfortably while my passenger sits. And I've also got a well-placed footrest for shorter individuals. Again, powder coating on the custom-built T-top from Scout. Got rocket launchers along the back with an LED spreader light aft. A tea bag to store soft goods, life jackets, throwable device, etc. And we also got analog and digital gauges from Mercury. Also at the helm here, we've got a netted storage area with charging ports for your devices. Moving forward, Scout arguably has the largest head area on any 21-foot center console you'll find. A porta potty is optional on this boat, but otherwise this is just a great area for storage. This is also where your batteries and battery switch is located. Now to what makes this boat so popular for the family. It's the bow area. So you can see we've got U-shaped seating with backrests that easily remove. And I've also got storage compartments beneath both the port and starboard side of the bow area. I've got 4 cup holders total, 2 on each side, an area with some non-skid for our phones. Huge chase lounge, very comfortable for 2 adults, a parent and a child. Armrests that are built into the T-top. And then an abundance of storage beneath the chase. This is an insulated lid, so you can use this as a fish box, as a cooler, or just for dry storage. You can see we've got snaps along the cushions, so all of these cushions do come up and out if you want to have this area devoted more for fishing. And then finally, our anchor locker is forward, and we have 2 additional cup holders up here in the bow as an option. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located just off Daniel Island. If you have any interest in this Scout 215 XSF or any of our other boats, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.